Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send Solana Sol from your Phantom wallet to BullX. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to bullx.io and make sure to log in. Once you're logged in, you want to click on the BullX logo on the top left hand corner and then navigate lower and then click onto Wallet Manager. And now it will say Wallet Manager, Solana Wallets. Below that, this is my address here, so I want to click on the little bull logo, and on the right, it's going to say Add Fund. And you can see currently I've got 0 Sol, so go ahead and click on Add Funds. If you're not inside Sol here, you want to click on that little drop down menu, and it'll be at the bottom. So click on Sol. Now once you're here, it will say Add Funds to Sol. You've got a QR code, or you can copy this code at the bottom here. So I suggest clicking on that code. And now the next step here, you're going to make sure you got your Phantom wallet installed on your web browser. So if I click here, you can see Phantom wallet is installed and I am signed in as well. So go ahead and open up your Phantom wallet. Now once you're inside here, you want to click on the send option. So click on send. And now because we've copied our Solana address, we can only send Solana from Phantom. So what we want to do is do a search for Sol. Here it is here. Click onto Sol. Now put in the recipient Solana address, so that's this code here. We're going to paste that in, and now we can choose the amount, or we can do max. I've got insufficient funds for this transaction, will likely fail if submitted. Yeah, so just put in your amount and then go ahead and click on next, and then just go through the prompts to get that transfer happening.